Welcome to my channel, everybody, and all of you are. Today, to my channel, this is your discussion about mapping and mapping. What is mapping? And that is relation between the x and y. If a function you have given y equal to f of x, then what is the relation between x and y, and that's called the mapping. And about the definition, they were saying a is a t, and x is called the domain and t is called the codomain. Actually, the value of x lies on s and value of y lies on t. So x is called domain and t is called the codomain or range or image. So says that let S and T be two non-empty sets if there exists a correspondence denoted by f. Like we said that y equal to f of x. F is the function denoted by f which associate to each element of x of s. So as we say, where x lies on s, so that is the domain of x. X to s, a unique element of y of t. See carefully. A function y equal to f of x is a function when each and every value of x we get a same value of y, not more than of y. Only we get a single value of y. Okay. So then we can say y equal to f of x as a function. Is a function, unique element of y of t. Then we say that f is a mapping of s into t, or f is a function for the totality of all order pair x comma y. Here y will be denoted by the symbol f of x and called f image of x, or the values of the function of x. The set, the collection of y, this is the set of collection of y, and that is f of x, is known as the image of set. This mapping is denoted by C f such that s to t. Okay, S map to T. This is called S map to T, where S is called the domain, okay, and T is called the codomain of the mapping. So, there the mapping are different type of that: one-to-one mapping, many-to-one mapping, and into mapping, onto mapping. What is the one-to-one? What is the many-to-one? For example, I want to give you a explanation. See, y is equal to f of x, and f map, suppose this is real number to real number. Okay, real number to real number. Let us assume y equal to f of x is equal to x plus 2. Okay, then I want to introduce what is the mapping, what is the one-to-one mapping, what is the into mapping, and like that. So, as simply says that this is S and this is S. I am saying that R to R. So, this is S set lies, and this is real number to real number. This is also a real number set. Actually, of this set, this is called the domain where lies on X. So, this is lies on x and this is here lies on y. Actually, this is called the pre-image. This is called pre-image, and here is called the image. Okay. Okay. So, see, this is y equal to f of x. So, see here. This is lie on real number. If we take a one real number like 1, then if we put here 1, then we get here what? 3. So 1 map to 3, and then 1 is called image, sorry, this is called pre-image, and 3 is called image. And if we put here 2, then we get, what we get? If we put in place of x, then we get here 4. So see, for the single value of x, we get a single value of y. Always we get a single value of y. That's why it's called one-to-one mapping. Okay, I want to give you an example. What is the many-to-one? First you see that. And these also are called not a into mapping. Into mapping, what is the difference between into mapping and onto mapping? And says this is called the domain. This set is called domain. Domain means in a function, each and every value of x satisfies this function. So that region is called a domain. And codomain, this is called codomain. Codomain and this domain and codomain, and this also some part are called image, domain range. Some part are called range. Okay, when range and codomain are both same, then we can say this is a into mapping, onto mapping. Actually, each and every value of real number are satisfy this function. That's why it's called onto mapping. And some of function you have given, and you know that all the values of the codomain does not satisfy. For example, I want to give you some example. Wait and see. So as y is equal to x plus 2 I have given here. So if we put a real number, then we get y as a real number. As we find here x as a subject to y, then this and each of real values of the set of y, if we put here, then we get a x is a real number. So we can say this is a onto mapping. So this is one-to-one onto. Okay? And now I want to introduce a into mapping. Okay, there is some space. What is the into mapping? Look here. Into mapping is an example of see, into mapping. For example, if we give a function y is equal to f of x and such that that is here such that f maps positive real number to real number. For example, positive real number to real number. Okay, and function is same as this is there x plus 2. See, positive real number to real number. So in that domain is plaza, and this is also a plaza. Okay, so if we take every positive value of x, then what we get? We get a positive value of y. If we take here 1, then we get 3. If we take here 2, then we get here 4. But this is here also a 1, 2. If we put here 1, see, y is equal to x plus 2. See here, if we put here 1, this is the value of y, 1. What do we get here? So simply look here, we get a negative value. So we don't get the pre-image of this is nothing is there. As this is a positive set, we don't get the value of x is equal to minus 1. As in the question we have given that this is a positive real number and this is a positive real number. So in this set lies on positive real number here is 1. So if we put here 1 in place of y, then we get a negative. So this is does not gets to the domain, does not satisfy to domain. Okay, so it's only called into mapping. So onto or into, onto means each and every value of codomain are satisfied to the domain, but into in case of into mapping, there are some value or exists where we do not don't get a pre-image, okay, of the domain. So this is the difference between the into or onto mapping. And somehow I want to introduce the many to one mapping. What is many to one mapping? For example, I want to give an example, that is y is equal to f of x, and that is here x square plus 2. Okay, and if map, this is here real number to real number. So in that case, so this is your domain and this is your codomain arranged, and if you put here 0, okay, then you get here 2. If we put here 1, then what do we get? We get here 3. If we put here minus 1, then we get here also 3. See, same as plus minus 2. This is a 2 value. Then we get here what? 4, 6. Okay. So, for 2 values like minus 1 and 1, we get a single value. That's why it's called many. Many to one mapping. Okay, this is many to one mapping, and this is into mapping. Some values of here y does not satisfy this function, so then we can say that type of mapping is called into mapping. Why? For example, say 0. If we put here 0, then what we get here? X is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to root over minus 2. But this is not a real number. This is not a real number. And this is not a real number. This is not a positive real number. Okay. So this is not a real number. For that, that's a positive real number. But here, this is not a real. This is a complex. So we don't get like 0, like 1. Okay. So this is called the into mapping. So many to one, one to one, and also the pre-image, image. Okay. Here is some example. I want to introduce all of you and see the drawing here and take a screenshot. And now I have to give an example, some example here. And it is a question. Let a real number, f real number to real number is define a function by f of x is equal to 3x plus 4, and x is a real number, so that f is one-to-one mapping, not on-to mapping. Sorry, one-to-one and on-to mapping. And this is a example of that. Same example of that. Okay. Okay. This is a question for question number 1. Just you have given 3x plus 4. Just I am giving a 3x plus 2 there. Same as the example. Okay. And as you see, for single values of x, if we put the function, and if the function by equal to 3x plus 4, okay, put in place of x, we get here single value of y, and for the each real number of y satisfy in place of y, then we get a real number. So that's why it's called on-to mapping. So this is one-to-one on-to. Okay. So 1 is done. And number 2, let z be the set of all integer is the mapping map z to z. So this is an integer defined by f of x equal to x square plus 2. Is one-to-one mapping justified? No, this is not a one-to-one mapping, and this is the example of that. Okay, this is for 2. This is many to many to 1. Okay, and this is also done. And two functions f and g given f and g are defined on the set of positive integer as follows, that f of x is equal to x plus 2 and g of x is equal to x minus 1. So follows f of x is equal to x plus 2 and this is for what, 3, and g of x here x minus 1. Okay, this is x minus 1, and if x, given that the x is more than equal to 2, so then find the range f and y, not domain. This is here find range, this is here find range. And when satisfy this equation, then we get there 4. So f of x is more than equal to 4. This is 2 or more. So we get more than equal to 4 to infinity. This is the range. Okay. As we given that f and g function and positive integers. Okay. After that, if we put here 2, g of 2, then what we get? This is get here is 1. So g of x also lies on, this is more than 1 to, so infinity. As I have given, g of 1 is 1 here, but what here is lies from that. Okay, so therefore the if question is there, find the range, and then there is some point, there is a 1 which satisfy, we also get a 1. So then the domain, we can say this is here 1 to some infinity, goes to infinity. Okay, and for that here is an x given that this is a 2 to infinity. Okay, so this is the discussion about that. Now question number 4. Now here is the question number 4. If map real number to real number be defined on f of a equal to a square plus 3, where r is a positive real number, a set of all positive real number, and find f inverse 7. This is your question, very important question. Find f inverse 7. So see here the calculation. F of x is equal to, so f of a, same question, and that is a square plus 3. That is here, this find f inverse minus 7. Find f inverse minus 7. Sorry, this is only 7, not minus 7. I'm wrongly read f inverse. So what is f inverse? See, if the function be y equal to f of x, then f inverse y is called x. Okay, and see, it is given that here is 7, this is 7, so the value of y is 7. So this is the value of this whole thing is called y. So that's why now right here y is equal to f of a is equal to a square plus 3. So you have given this is 7. So 7 equal to a square plus 3, and implies that a is equal to plus minus 2. But see here positive real number to real number, positive real number to real number. So you don't take a negative sign is there. Okay, so positive real number to real number. That's why f inverse 7 is equal to collection of data is at 2. Okay, if there is nothing mentioned that this is a positive real number to real number, so we take also minus sign. So in the second bracket we take there is the sign be minus 2 comma 2. So this is your answer. This is your answer. Now 4 is done here. Now we have to follow the question number 5. Set S be the set of all integers. F and G is F, G, H are given. So f of x is here. This is which question number? This is here 5. F of x is equal to x square. G of x is equal to mod x, and the other question be h of x and is equal to x plus 1. So ask the question here, which one is one-to-one mapping? So that only one mapping FGH is one-to-one. And which one is one-to-one? See, for example, for that function, f of x is equal to x square. And here is mapping from set of all integers. So f map x to s, all integers. So this is domain and this is codomain. So if we put here 1 integer, it may be either positive or negative. If we take 1, then we n minus 1, and what we get? For the both the function we get here 1. So this is called the many to 1. So many to 1. For mod x, g of x is equal to mod x. See what happened here? Same as if we put here plus 1, then we get here 1. If we put here minus 1, then we get here 1. So this is many to 1. But for this, h of x, this is called 1 to 1. X plus 1 here. So that this is an integer, this is an integer. If we take 1, then what we get here? We get here 2. If we take 2, then we get here 3. So this is 1 to 1. This is 1 to 1 mapping. Okay. So this is the distinguish between the three functions. And now another point here is find this is 2 number here, so that f of g not equal to g of a. So see, here we have to show for the question number 5, fg not equal to g of j. So what is the meaning of that? I think some problem to write, all of you see what is the meaning of that. We have to show this. Left hand side, we now write here the left hand side, f of g. So you can write here like that, and that is equal to f of, and this is g of a. This is called the product of g. This is called the product of g. Okay. So now we have to write here f of x is x square here. So f of g. So we can write here that is here g of x whole square. In place of x there is a g of x. So if we put here g of x, then g of x whole square. So what is the value of g of x? This is mod x. So this is mod x and this is whole square. As the mod x is whole square, we get here always x square. But on the right hand side, see, this is g of f of x. This is here g of f of x. So g of like that, okay? You can write this. So g and f of x means here x square. So this is here x square. See, this is the mod x. So, but these two are not same. Okay, and every value of put here like 1, 2, 3, 4. We get here mod 4, mod 3. So mod 4 means, and this is like between also a plus or minus. So therefore, and fg not equal to gf. Okay, not same. And now follow the question number 6. See, is f of x map real number to real number given that f of x is equal to log x? F of x is equal to log x is mapping. So here given that f map, this is here real number to real number and function is log x. So in my previous discussion about this video, I says that every value of x should be satisfy the function. Then we can say that is a mapping or a function. But in the domain, and this is your codomain. So see, each and every value are satisfy this function. But here, if 0, if negative number, so does not satisfy this function. So you can't say about the real number to real number, f map real number to real number, f of x equal to log x is not a function. That is the definition of a function. So see carefully, all the values of a domain, and this called the domain, this called the set of S. In my definition there is we can say that this is as S and this is called T. So all the values of the S, all the values of domain always satisfy to the given function. Then we can say f of x is equal to some function which given here is a function. Okay. So now question number 7. So that the mapping f real number to real number. Actually, this is here saying that real number to real number, where n being a natural number. Actually saying that n natural number to natural number need to be written here, right here. So this is your given. The function here is just in my some point we have to introduce with you. There was this type of problem are discussed with all of you. And here is we see that so that we want to show 1 to 1 but not 1 to 1 to 1 but not 1 to. Actually, given that if here is wrongly written there, real number. Actually, not need to be written the natural number to natural number. Okay. See, this is wrongly written. And now see, this is natural number to natural number. If we take one natural number like 1, 2, 3, then we get another natural number like if we take here 1, then we get here 3. If we take here 2, then we get here 4. Okay, like that. But some values like 1, if we put here 1, so this is here y. In place of y is equal to 1, so x plus 2, so x is equal to minus 1. So this value does not satisfy a natural number. Okay, so this is only 1-to-1 mapping, but not onto. So this is 1-to-1, not onto. Okay, so I think students, all of you better understand what is the mapping, what is the many-to-one, what is the one-to-one, what is the into, and what is the onto, and that is the main important in thinking, all of you. Okay, I think all the students have better understood. Okay, bye everybody.